know someone who has an underground tank with a crack or suspected fuel leaking into the interstitial space, we have a solution. Our team can safely set up, degas, and enter underground tanks to thoroughly inspect their condition. In a recent project, we identified a significant crack in the middle of a tank that was allowing fuel into the interstitial space. This is how we resolved it. We prepped the surface. We measured the thickness of the original tank. We installed 2 layers of fiberglass, which added structural support. Then we installed a protective black coating. After the repair was done, the manway was reinstalled, tank was tested, and it was successfully returned back into service. If you're facing similar issues, please reach out, and we are here to help and provide a comprehensive solution for your specific issues.